Hey everyone, welcome to Unboxing Hiver. In this video, we're going to explore the Netsuite Hiver integration and see how Hiver brings key Netsuite data right into your workspace, so your team isn't jumping between tabs just to answer one customer email. Let's get started. Head over to the Hiver admin panel. Then go to Apps. This is the central place where you can discover, connect, and manage all your integrations. Let me show you how easily you can set up Netsuite. Click on the Netsuite app. Review the capabilities of the Netsuite Hiver integration, and when you're ready, click Start Setup. You'll need all these details to authenticate the integration. Log into your Netsuite app to get this information. After you log into Netsuite, copy the account ID, which is present in the Netsuite dashboard URL. Go back to Hiver and enter the account ID from your Netsuite URL in the first field. Next, open Netsuite and go to Setup. Click on Integrations, Manage Integrations, and then the new option to create a new integration. Give your integration a name and a description. Select Token-Based Authentication, and then click Save. You will see a confirmation message. Scroll down the same page and copy the consumer key and consumer secret. Go back to Hiver and paste the consumer key and consumer secret. Next, head over to Manage Access Tokens under Settings in your Netsuite homepage. Click New My Access Token to generate a new token. Select the application name you just created in the previous step and save to generate access tokens. Copy the token ID and token secret from here and paste them in Hiver. Next, click to authenticate. In the Setup tab, select the shared inboxes and user roles that should have access to Netsuite data. Once you save and enable it, your app setup is complete. Now, let's look at how you actually use Netsuite inside Hiver. For Netsuite, you can view detailed finance and operations data for each conversation from the Apps panel in Hiver. View information such as invoices, sales orders, customers, vendors, and contact details. Click any card to view complete details. Use deep links to open those records in Netsuite for deeper information. Search Netsuite records and fields directly from the Apps panel and link them to conversations. And finally, you can also hover over Netsuite identifiers, such as invoice numbers, sales orders, or purchase order IDs in emails to see smart previews of the related details. So that's Netsuite inside Hiver, enabling your team to spend less time hunting for information and more time helping customers. Thanks for watching.